Welcome back. It's Tuesday, September 30th, 2025. I'm just coming back to this. Had kind of a rough week, or week and a day, I guess, since I recorded last. A few of them got kicked out, hit stop losses. Uh, Market in general been kind of up and down this week, and we're currently down from last week. But let's see. SoFi is one of the ones I was most hopeful about, and that's down quite a bit. Let's see. Oh, oops. Actually, you can see it right here. We bought it $30.24. Now it's down to $26.28. Stop loss about $1 or so below that. So hopefully that'll turn around. But we do have 500 some dollars of cash to work with, so I wanted to see about buying something. I was looking at Trade Vision. This one came up as a breakout. We are above the 50-day, above the 150-day, and the 200 moving average. And as you can see, the volume is spiked. From what I understand, they got a defense contract. This is a aircraft company. One of the things I forgot to mention before is that you can do to stack the odds in your favor is to actually look at the sector and see how the sector is trending. That doesn't seem to be a direct ticker symbol to search for the sector itself. You can pull up on Yahoo Finance, for example, aerospace and defense. This is the past 6 months, definitely trending up. Or you can just find an ETF which is an exchange traded fund. Basically, it tracks this one, ITA. It has a bunch of big players in the aerospace and defense sector. That's definitely trending up. See, this is, about 6 months, I'd say. Back to April. Had a spike recently, the 25th. So let's see. So this is looking good, I think. It gapped up, opened about this DPRO. What is that? Opened at 827. It's actually down from there. It was all the way up to 950 some. 955. Now it's down. Low for today was 785, 80 something. Anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead and get some of that because that looks pretty good. So let's search DPRO, Dragonfly. So market orders. Let's buy in shares. I'll do 12. Maybe I'll do a little more. 15 shares. And just doing a market order. Get rid of that. All right. Okay, we are in. So let's see. I would say it's breaking the trend if it comes down to about $7 or so. So we can go ahead and set our stop loss. Go back. DPRO. Let's do shares. Order type. Limit order. Yes, 15 shares. Limit price. Let's do right around $7. Oh, I picked the wrong one. My mistake. Let's see. Stop order. That's what I want. So, very nice of them to alert me like that. Yes, I know. And no, I don't want that. So go ahead and do that. All right, we're locked in with that one. Put some of our money to work. So let's see. Another one that came up when I was looking at breakouts is this United Natural Foods Incorporated. So that one, it had a breakout. It gapped up and it just kept going up. So that one, I'm actually looking for it to pull back a bit. So maybe I'll look at that tomorrow. Even we're about roughly half an hour before market close. But let's see, wholesale. Let's look at this. If I can just figure out what sector that would be. Well, if I do come back to that tomorrow, I'll look that up. I'm not seeing that right off the bat. But, I mean, we can also look at the heat map. If you go home on Trade Vision, there's a heat map. Where would wholesale be? And right now we're looking at NASDAQ. Let's look at S&P 500. Here's wholesale. Well, just looking at these, that looks like it's mostly positive. So I think I expect there to be a pullback, so I don't want to buy it for it to immediately drop on me. So I might as well just wait and see if it drops and then hopefully get in at a better entry point. But I think that's all I'm going to do for today. So, all right. That one's already moving. Good. That's it for today. If I make one tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. Otherwise, probably see you in about another week. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh!